Hey guys, just short little blip. Just got done making this custom 120 volt shore power generator panel, two 30 amp circuits. Made the top panel for the battery charger controller, the generator, the fume sensor, the Webasto heater, two high water alarms, and then Dometic AC. Nice and simple, nothing extreme. Get it open. Everything's labeled. Everything's heat shrinked, all heat shrink marine connectors that I put in, not from the panel manufacturer like those. All on a hinge, everything is routed. Nice and clean. Over to my galvanic isolators. Then out to shore power.